Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PFE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another very nice movement on this one today, not only from the increase in volume, but also, clearly the increase in price. And, these annotations down here were from previous times I've done the video. But because today's price movement was so big, I'm actually going to do some house cleaning to get rid of both those levels. Sure, they still pertain. They're just not relevant. And from the presentation standpoint where I sit, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But one of the first updates here that needs to be made is just based on what I would now consider the ideal level at $42, meaning if I ask Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? That would be if the price can stay above 42. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 42, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that level, that would certainly be a great sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to gauging the health of the overall move, that right there being defined as the overall move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you best visualize that? That is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying above 42 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward right now. Party and momentum stopped today right up there at 42.75. So 42.75, public enemy number one, headed into Wednesday. But all in all, any angle you look at it, great movement today. And as long as the price keeps on putting in those higher lows, that is by far what matters most. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.